Welcome to the conclusion section of this course. We have covered a lot of content, and here I'm just going to summarize the content that we have covered. We started by looking at the Identity Access Management tool, which allows us to make sure that our users are getting exactly the amount of privileges and roles that they are required for the work that they're doing. This way, we're going to be making sure that they don't have any unauthorized access and so that they don't accidentally bring down a couple of our servers or that we have some sort of theft of the data that we have for our company. Then we looked at the compute servers. The compute servers are going to be having the load of running our application and running the code that we have developed for our application. To supplant the compute servers, we have the storage and content delivery aspect, which was used to store files and images so that we can provide these over to our compute server when required. As you can see, it's going to be used when we're working with content delivery. So if you have something like a YouTube where you're going to be presenting videos, in that case, you're going to be storing all the videos in the S3 buckets or in one of these different services, and you're going to be pulling that video over using a link and providing it to your EC2 system. Finally, we had databases where we were able to store data in a structured table. Sample tables that we can use are going to be something like a transactional table where we store data about the purchases or the daily events that go on in our company, or master data tables where we store information about the objects related to our company, say the customers or the employees. So those are the four major aspects that are related to Amazon Web Services. I hope you explore these in much more depth and you practice a little more about how you can deploy the different kinds of compute servers, how you can upload different files to S3, and how you can establish a connection between these. When you're going to be moving forward in AWS, you need to make sure that you take a look at how you can do an end-to-end implementation of an application that should be in the next project for you. And you should be getting some books from Amazon and understanding exactly how AWS works in terms of the details and the specific other tools that we have not covered. These were the major topics there. We have other topics like networking, analytics, developer tools, and I hope you will be exploring these in much more depth on your own time. Thank you so much for joining me on this course, and congratulations on finishing this course, and I hope to see you again in a later course. Thank you. Let's move along.